Shut the fuck up.
You need to watch your mouth.
Give me a mirror while I say shut the fuck up.
That's right.
I don't have to watch my mouth. It's freedom of speech.
You guys enjoy the weather out. I want to let you know, I don't want you guys to get in trouble.
Just shut up and get back in your car and leave, dude. No, nobody needs your useless directives, okay?
Okay.
I know
I'm
that's
just
what
telling
you're
you guys,
trained to
if you
do.
get asked-
but
What's
we
his
don't
name?
need your useless
Shitlap?
directives.
Arrested.
Bye
Is that what
bye.
it says?
All right.
What's his name?
You guys have a good
Bye,
night, all right?
Felicia. See you later.
Oh, you can quote movies.
What's your name?
Dipshit.
Okay.
That's a sexy smile, man. I'm gonna put you in
Yeah,
my
but he's a
calendar,
piece
bro.
of shit because he told me to watch my mouth. He can go fuck himself. Yeah. And I know it's on your camera. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Just walking around recording, man. Stupid ass cops. I couldn't resist.
He was about to go hands on with Dakota. He sure was about to go hands on with Dakota for being at his door.
I was the one at his door.
The other one.
Oh, okay. Well, I wish he would have. He'd have been on the
Oh, there's
ground.
another one.
Dakota, stop. You do not need to run ahead. I don't know. I'm going to check it out. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, them cops were funny.
What? Oh, yeah. Right on.
There we go. Really right.
No blinds on the window or on the door.
They are pretty, aren't they?
It's a beautiful building,
Hey, it is. It really is.
right? See ya.
Here comes OG security guard.
Yeah, secure turd.
Guys, huh? What did he say?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I think he said pain in the ass or something like
Oh, is
that.
that what he said?
Yeah.
I got one of those too.
Somebody flip you off?
Yeah.
Where?
Some girl in there was shooing us away, so I shoot her back and then flip her off.
Oh, I got to go to the other windows. That one right there. Yeah.
Yeah, we're playing games now.
Yeah.
Games are fun.
They are. Oh, I don't think they have blinds for this window.
Oh, darn.
There goes an ambulance.
It's not Peter.
He was driving real slow, staring at us.
Okay, I guess it's a good thing. At least there's nobody severely hurt.
Right. Can we see frickin'? Let's see, where's freaking?
That's like playing Where's Waldo, just with, well,
Where's
Spanky.
Spanky? Yeah. I don't see Spanky. Oh, there's the secure turd. Yeah, there's the secure turd.
They're so mad, dude.
Yep, they are.
Here, watch. I'll get my pole up there real high.
All right. Oh, they don't have any vines on this side,
I know.
so it's all good. I think they're exiting the building now. Maybe.
All right, I'm ready to get out of here, I think.
Check that out, the back side of that building. The old plumbing supply
Oh, yeah, I see that.
sign painted on the building there.
One building, but not that one.
Oh, oops.
I'll keep turning around anyway.
Yeah, that's cool to see the old faded
Right.
painting on the walls.
What's going on, guys?
Why are you guys recording
I think
inside
it's
of
like, I think it's like snowing or something.
Okay, but you're recording inside of a restaurant.
Yep, we are.
Hey, you guys gotta go.
No, we don't.
You were recording inside of a restaurant?
No, we're not.
We were sitting right here.
We're not recording inside of a restaurant.
So what did y'all
I was
recording
sitting
inside
right
of?
here. You're recording. That's rude. We didn't give you permission
Don't need it.
to record inside.
We're not inside.
He's recording inside.
But we're not inside. We don't need permission on the public sidewalk.
Yeah, okay,
Anything
this is a
we
public
can
place,
see,
but that's not public.
anything we can see from public, we can record.
They're getting smarter.
That's
Creating
There's a
violence.
reason they bought those
Oh,
blinds.
look, it just started
Oh,
snowing.
yeah, it's
know,
starting
isn't
to
that
tinkle
awesome?
snow.
Perfect for the
That's
snowflakes
cool.
melting around here.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you guys are
There's
doing
always a
Yep,
reason.
always a reason.
No, I know, but you're just making people that I don't.
We're not making anything for anybody.
No, you're making them uncomfortable.
No, we're not making them uncomfortable. Their feelings are.
Yeah, you can't be.
We don't control their feelings. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. Just shut up.
Yeah, just go back inside and do your job, guys. Your job's not out here on the sidewalk. It's in there. It really is. Your job's in there.
I know.
Okay.
And they're kind of being a little bit hostile.
Hostile, that's funny.
Hostile. Go back inside and do your jobs. It's in there, not out here.
Right, exactly.
You need to just shut up and go back inside.
We can stand here and film all night, dum dum.
Bye. Look at that. Snowflakes falling, man. Right as they start melting.
Yeah. They're melting in there and they're falling out here.
Bye. Turn it sideways. You get a better picture. Turn it sideways. You get a better picture.
It's okay, but
Turn it sideways. You get a better picture.
It's funny.
it's all right.
It sucks. These ferns are just.
This is hilarious. What?
This bit's stupid.
What'd she say?
This bit's stupid.
No, what did she say?
All homeless people is rich. And you gotta care for these
Oh, that's
Oh
hilarious.
my gosh. Oh wow. Go back to your dinner, guys.
I think it's getting cold out here. What do you think?
But this is public. So
Go
they
back
can
to-
record if they want to.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. I take back my prior statement about you.
Yeah, but if we call the police, they just need to say.
But I can see it's getting cold out here, can't you?
I take back everything I said about you, man. I respect you.
I didn't say
Good
y'all was
job.
wrong. All I asked was why y'all recorded me.
Oh,
Right.
yeah, I wasn't recording you. I was just recording inside in general.
Okay, that's all I'm asking.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was
I
just
know it's public
Man,
place.
I don't even know you, so.
You can record, but I'm just saying why.
Right. Yeah, don't worry. Now, I was just recording inside in general to get a to see what it was like in there.
Okay,
You know what I mean?
that's all.
Without coming in.
Yeah, okay, that's all I wanted to say.
Yeah.
Right on.
And then the police didn't say anything.
Yeah, don't call the police. That's wasting your community's resources.
Right.
They need to be out there fighting real crime. Right? Cool.
Yeah. Cool.
Both literally and figuratively. These the ladies right here, right there.
Oh no,
Oh,
she
you're
said stop! She said stop!
No, these ones right here in this corner.
No, this one's straight ahead.
This
said
one's
stop.
straight ahead tripping. She's all.
This one's gonna get the cam back. Yeah.
Small wave, boy, small wave.
I'm behind you with my camera over top of you, so she can't see me.
Rain and snow. Weird. It's time to go.
Ah, she ducked. She ducked.
Rain and snow, I guess it's time to go. My phone just said no and just closed out the camera app.
That means you're out of space.
You want to fucking fight, man?
Really? Try that again, bitch.
Cocksucker.
Try it again, bitch. Yeah, come on, try it again. Fucking stupid bitch. She just tried to break my shit. That stupid bitch just come.
Go back in there and work. Shut up. Shut up. Go back in there and work. You're wasting your community's resources.
Oh, they're doing wine samples. That's cool.
It doesn't matter what you
Yeah,
can.
wine samples.
What I can and can't do, and I can
Right
stand
on.
right here and take all the pictures I want. Feel me?
What's up?
You should go back in there and do your job, bro. It's in there, not out there. Your job's in there, not out there. It doesn't matter what you can or can't have. What matters is what I can or can't do. And I can stand right here on the sidewalk and take all the pictures I want.
That's
So
right.
Go back in there
Yep.
and do what you get paid to do and service all of these customers. And get the hell out.
Oh, that's a cool little piano.
See? Close the blinds. There you go. That's why you bought it. They do work just for the sun.
Got a drum set over there, a piano. That's pretty cool.
You want to do something, tough guy? Look at me side-eye like you want to get shot. You want to do something? All right, take your ass back inside, cupcake.
These two windows are still wide open. Nope, not anymore.
He's doing his job. Right?
Somebody's coming out.
Good job.
What the fuck are y'all doing?
None of your fucking business. How about
Yeah,
that?
it is. You
None
don't
of your
have the
fucking
right.
business. Go back up in there, Felicia. You
Felicia.
heard me? Go back up in there.
Nah, back up. Back the fuck up. You back the fuck up.
You back the
Back
fuck
the
up,
fuck
dumbass.
up. All of you.
You back the fuck up.
You pull a knife out.
You gonna pull a knife?
Back the
Pull a knife
fuck
out.
up.
You gonna pull a knife?
Get away from this
I
place
dare you to
now.
open that fucking knife, lady.
What's wrong with
Shut the
you?
fuck up and go back inside.
Crazy ass Karen.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Somebody. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Crazy ass bitch.
Pull your fucking knife on somebody.
A little bit too tipsy.
Pull your fucking knife on somebody. What is wrong with you? Crazy bitch.
Right in the eye.
In the mouth.
I was searching for you.
Nah, back up. Back the fuck up. You back the fuck up.
You back the
Back
fuck up,
the fuck
dumbass.
up. All of you.
You back the fuck up.
She pulled a knife out.
You gonna pull a knife?
Back the
Knife
fuck
out.
up.
You gonna pull a knife?
Get away from this
I
place
dare you to
now.
open that fucking knife, lady.
What's wrong with
Shut
you?
the fuck up and go back inside.
Crazy ass Karen. What
Yeah.
the fuck is wrong with people? Just gonna come out all irate like that, bitch?
Crazy.
And then pull a knife.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. What is wrong with people?
That was nuts. Get in front of us, Dakota. Just in case they come out and running.
That's when you turn around and you get
That was crazy.
That girl was crazy as shit, dude.
I'm so mad because I didn't
Dakota, get up in front of us.
I'm trying to walk away from her. She's steadily pulling the knife out.
I know, right?
I thought she was going for me, so I'm trying to put some distance between me and her.
Right?
Hey, her dinner is not going to taste right at all.
No.
She got a mouthful of that shit.
Right? All right, and we're out.